Here we go, Bedri's turning off the HVAC. Here we go, Mop. Wave. We'll send this to Jesse and everybody.
You know what?
All right, there we go. One's off. One's off. Confirmed power down. You can see me.
I'm done. You done? Yep. You ready? What?
Here we go.
Is that it?
All right, Mop. We're good. We're good.
That's the witching hour.
Yep. Bedri's double checking.
These are amber because one power supply is down, I think.
Right. Bedri, congratulations.
You're not over yet.
Say hi, Ivana.
They actually got farther than the last time. We'd be dead right now. We're okay, right?
Yep.
That's the chirping of the EVA.
Okay, Santa's still up.
C-class
Blades are up.
on
Yeah, I saw that one. That was turned off.
It shouldn't have been.
Okay. Document it.
Hey, Danny, did you check that hot road?
No.
No. We lost that.
I asked Jesse to.
That may be the web server. I don't know. You want that's
All right, go check real quick for me.
lost
80 EVM 20. Successful so far. And we forgot to say, we did this when it was raining.
Because I think that before they doing that, I think that server is only run off of one power supply. So that's why when they turn off one power supply, the rest of our server, I'm seeing new lights. I'm seeing the orange lights, which indicate that one power supply down.
It's a success so far.
Yeah, I'm seeing orange lights.
Steve LaBelle is checking services. Okay, good. Good. So our EVAs are screaming because they're missing power. That side's fine. That side's missing power. Same thing on the controller.